Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2024 Catalina 293Qbckle. Let's take a look here. We've got the U-shaped dinette. This is a new SLX couch, lounge, chase lounge, couch, and sleeping area also. We have a 12-volt refrigerator, big freezer, big refrigerator. This is our on-off switch. So you can totally control the on-off right here and the temperature on the inside. 3-burner cooktop range oven. Got our farm sink. Lots of cabinetry. Microwave. This unit has a solar panel on the roof already with a controller. Fireplace stereo system. This is your one control. It's motion activated. Typically you control your unit with this, but the one control part, you can download it to your phone, and anything you can control on the monitor, you can control with your phone. Our front bedroom. Lots of room here. Shelves on both sides with outlets and USB ports. Lots of storage. Our shower area. And our bunkhouse. It's a jackknife couch that'll fold down to a bed. You've got 3 other bunk areas. It gives you some nice little storage containers. And more over here. We've got a camp kitchen on this unit. Very cool. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.